China just changed the future, and almost nobody in the West is talking about it. From AI-powered cities, to robot armies, to flying cars, to self-driving taxis already operating in multiple cities, China is building a world that looks like a movie, except it's real. And if you think this is years away, you're wrong. This is happening right now, today. Stay until the end, because what China revealed this year might be the biggest technological leap in human history. Let's start with something the West still believes is 5 years away. AI-run cities. China already has entire districts where traffic lights, public transportation, security, logistics, and energy grids are controlled by artificial intelligence. In these cities, cars drive themselves, police drones respond faster than humans, facial recognition unlocks buildings, and robots deliver food, groceries, and even medicine. It's not a prototype. It's not a pilot test. It's operational. While Western cities debate adding bike lanes, China built a city where AI literally controls the flow of millions of people. Now, let's talk about something straight out of a sci-fi movie. China's growing robot army. Not hypothetical, not experimental. These robots can track targets, navigate complex terrain, carry weapons, walk, run, climb, and recover from impacts. Some are dog-sized, some are full humanoids, some follow voice commands using AI just like a human soldier. While other countries show CGI concept art, China is building the real thing. In the West, self-driving cars are still stuck in legal battles and beta tests. In China, Robotaxis are already everywhere. Cities like Wuhan and Beijing have fully autonomous taxis with no driver and no safety operator. You open an app, call a car, it arrives, and it drives you across the city without a single human touching the wheel. Baidu's Apollo, WeRide, and other companies have completed hundreds of millions of autonomous miles, more than many Western companies combined. And now, China is expanding Robotaxis to more than 100 cities. This isn't the future of transportation. It's already the present. You've seen electric cars, but have you seen electric cars that fly? China has built EVs that can take off vertically, hover, transform into drones, and still drive on regular roads. Some Chinese EVs can even float on water and survive floods, a safety feature that went viral online. And then there are the cars that dance, entire shows where vehicles sync lights, suspension, and movement like a concert performance. It sounds ridiculous until you realize these companies innovate faster than anyone else. China leads the world in drone technology, and it's not even close. They have drones for deliveries, construction, farming, police work, and emergency rescue. But the biggest headline is drone swarms. Hundreds of drones flying in perfect formation, controlled by AI. These swarms can map cities, scan disaster zones, replace fireworks, or operate as coordinated defense systems. This kind of technology is transforming warfare, logistics, and even entertainment. And now the story gets even crazier. China is mass-producing humanoid robots designed to work in factories, warehouses, and hospitals. Not clumsy robots, not slow robots. These machines can run, jump, lift heavy objects, learn tasks with AI, and work 24/7 without rest. In the West, humanoid robots are viral experiments. In China, they are becoming a workforce. The West is still debating regulations and politics, while China is building the future at maximum speed. AI cities, robot armies, flying cars, robotaxis, drone swarms, humanoid workers. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's happening. And if the rest of the world doesn't wake up soon, China may control the technologies that will shape the next 100 years. Subscribe for more breakdowns of the future. And tell me, do you think China's rise is exciting or terrifying?